Alright, good day everyone and welcome to your next Ratchet tutorial. In the last tutorial we looked at toggles. In this tutorial we're going to try and make this title bar look, this header bar look more beautiful. So we are going to add some stuff by the side here. Alright, the first thing we want to look at is how to add a button to the title bar. So here we have our title bar. We'll add a button to it. So let's just add a button class, of course btn, and this is a button. We could just say left, navigate left, whatever. Then we would add another button after the right. Another button, not really after, I'll just like underneath this one. I'll just duplicate this. So we have another button and we call it right. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to tell the buttons where to go. So the first one should go towards the left, we put left. The next one should go towards the right, we put right. That's it. Kind of sums it up. We'll come here and check. Oops, we have two buttons here. And remember, we could play around with our buttons by saying btn positive, btn positive, to paint the button to a fancy color green. Alright, the next other thing we could do apart from adding a button is to actually icons. Apart from using buttons, we could use icons. I could just delete the two buttons and try icons. We have a class, and the class we have an icon. This is the way to add icon, and the icon we want to add is icon left now. And then we have of course we tell it to pull to the left, and we'll pull to the right too. The second one pulls to the right, and the icon we can have is, we can just have a right now. So we added two icons and removed the buttons, so I can come and refresh. We have this and that, and so on and so forth. We could do other fancy stuff like using other icons. We could use icon compose. Okay, and then when we are here, refresh. So this one is left and this one is for compose. Alright, and you know it's href, so we could link it to something which is href. It's a link. We could link it to our favorite brainterm.org. So when someone clicks on it, I've saved. When someone clicks on it, it should take the person to brainterm. As you can see, it attempts to load the page. Alright, so that's it. Apart from that, what if we wanted to write something here before the arrow? We could use the button and kind of mix it with the icons. So we have an icon and the button. So to get that done, I will basically use a button first, button, and we have a class, and the button will use a link and a nav, and of course it should get to the left. Now right inside the button we create the icon. The icon is a span. We create the icon, and of course it's an icon, and we mention the name of the icon we want to use. The name of the icon is icon left nav, and that's something that we could just remove this one. Alright, on the left, which means on the left part we have a button. The button is not supposed to show because we are using a button link, right? But not the real button, is just a link, and inside the button we have an icon, then we can have a text. We just call it text. Alright, so I've saved it. Let's go check it out. So we have a text, then we have an icon, and the both of them make up a button. Alright, so that's how to get it done, and I play around with a whole lot of other stuff. In the next tutorial we'll try to put some other interesting stuff on the header. Okay, thank you very much.